Hi dear aspirants, welcome to Aspire Defense. In the previous video, we have discussed about the 12 ways to join the Indian Army as an officer. Okay, if you are too passionate to join the Army as an officer, you must go through that video. Okay, so in this video, we are going to discuss the commission ranks in the Indian Army. Okay, we are going to decode the complete commission ranks in the Indian Army. Okay, so before that, subscribe to our channel. Okay, so we can move on to that video. So Indian Army ranks, commissioned officers ranks. Okay, starting from lieutenant and to general. Okay, we will discuss complete. Okay, so the first one, that is lieutenant. Okay, so Indian Army have two commissioned training academies. First one is IMA, Indian Military Academy, located at Dehradun. Second one, OTA, Officers Training Academy, located at Chennai. Okay, so those cadets passed out from these academies like IMA and OTA will get inducted into Indian Army as an officer, commissioned into Indian Army as an officer in the rank of lieutenant. Okay, so you can see the picture. Okay, cadets passed out from the IMA and OTA, 2 stars in their shoulder. Cadets after passing out from the IMA and OTA become lieutenant in the Indian Army, starting rank. Okay, so that's it. Next, captain. It's very popular, right? Captain Vikram Batra, war hero, Kargil war hero, Paramvir Chakra. So captain, 3 stars in their shoulder. Okay, so after attaining 2 years of service in the army, the lieutenant young officers will promoted into the rank of captain. Okay, so the main duty is to lead a company of soldiers. Okay, which typically consists of around 100 to 150 personnel. Okay, they are responsible for the welfare, discipline, and training of their troops. Okay, main duty is to lead the company of soldiers. Okay, so that's the main duty. So 3 stars in their shoulder. Okay, the doctors like who are passed out from the AFMC or veterinary doctors like passed out from the RVC. Okay, entry, they will directly get commissioned into the rank of captain. Okay, so the next, major. This rank is also very popular, right? So you know this person who is the former ADC to President, Major Gaurav Chaudhary at that time. Now he's a lieutenant colonel in the army. So majors are involved in the planning and executing military operations. They are the heads to plan and execute the military operations. Okay. So the rank, that is national emblem in their shoulder. That's a rank. And after completing the 6 years of service, the captain will promoted into the rank of major. Okay, that's about major. Next one, lieutenant colonel. Okay, so lieutenant colonel, the Indian cricket team former captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a lieutenant colonel now. Okay, and Kapil Dev, and this year Dada Saheb Phalke Award winner actor Mohanlal is also a honorary lieutenant colonel in the army. So, what's the main duty or main role of lieutenant colonel in the army? A lieutenant colonel is in charge of a battalion in the army. Okay, he's the head of the battalion. Okay, so the rank you can see, a star and national emblem. Okay, and once the officer completes the 13 years of service, then the officer will get promoted into lieutenant colonel. Okay, fine. Next one is colonel. Very popular, right? So the ranks consist of 2 stars and 1 national emblem. So, yeah, a senior military leader responsible for commanding and managing larger military formations and operations. Okay, basically a colonel will be the unit commander, commanding the unit, commanding officer, CO. Okay, you might have seen the Operation Sindoor. The 2 lady officers briefly explained about the operations and all, like Commander Vamika Singh and Colonel Sophia Qureshi. That Colonel Sophia Qureshi is a commanding officer. She in the rank of colonel. Okay, so again the rank 2 stars and 1 national emblem. So the lieutenant colonel, okay, who completes the 26 years of service, they will get promoted in the rank of colonel. Okay, that's it. Next is brigadier. What is brigadier? Name itself. A brigadier is responsible for the commanding brigade. Okay, brigadier is responsible for commanding a brigade. Brigade consists of several number of battalions. Okay, which typically consist of several battalions. That is brigade. So the brigadier basically you are commanding the brigade. Okay, so the ranks, especially the rank, 3 stars and 1 national emblem. Okay, consists of 3 stars and 1 national emblem. Okay, you can see the picture, shoulder, 1 national emblem, 3 stars. And special forces badge is also there. Those who are interested to join the para special forces, right? Okay. The next is Major General. Very, very important. Okay. Officers in the rank of Major General hold important appointments like the General Officer commanding a division. Main role is to command a division. Okay. And the rank consists of a crossed a sword and baton and a star. Okay. What's the main duty of the Major General rank? Officers in the rank of Major General hold the important appointments like General Officer commanding a division. Okay. Main duty is to command a division. Okay. So the next one is a Lieutenant General. Very, very important because Indian Army have 7 commands. Okay. Northern Command is located at Udhampur. Southern Command is Pune. Like that, 7 command is there. So the officer who heading that command, Army command, is called as Lieutenant General. Main duty, and they also placed as a Vice Chief of Army Staff. Okay. They hold the most senior appointments like Vice Chief of Army Staff. Okay. You can see the picture of a Lieutenant General. She's a former Lieutenant General in the Indian Army from the MCA Army Medical Corps. So the rank, a crossed baton and national emblem. Okay, a crossed sword and baton and national emblem. That's for Lieutenant General. Next is General. Okay, most important rank because the Chief of the Army Staff is a statutory position in the Army held by a 4-star general. Okay, you know this person, former Chief of Army Staff, that is General Manoj Pandey. Now, who is the present Chief of Army Staff? Comment below your answer. Okay, and we will discuss. So the rank across the sword and baton, star, national emblem. Okay, so the Chief of Army Staff, that position held by a 4-star general. Okay, so the present Chief of Army Staff, that is General Upendra Dwivedi. Okay, so that's it. So the next is Field Marshal. Okay, so Field Marshal is the highest attainable rank in the Indian Army. Okay, in the history, only 2 officers got this, honored with this rank. That is Field Marshal Samaneksha and K.M. Karyappa. Okay, so Field Marshal is the highest attainable rank in the Indian Army. So far we have discussed the all commissioned rank in the Indian Army from Lieutenant to General and Field Marshal. Okay, so once you join the Indian Army as an officer, okay, you're starting with Lieutenant and going like this. Okay, 2 years you will be in the rank of Captain, 6 years Major, 13 years Lieutenant Colonel, 26 years Colonel. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So subscribe to our channel. You can we will upload more videos like this, informative videos. Okay, current affairs, general studies, everything will be discussed in the coming days. Okay, so must subscribe to our channel. And if you are a defense aspirant, you are aspiring to become an officer in the Indian Army. Okay, you are preparing for the exams like NDA, CDS, FCAT, MNS, SSB interview. You can contact us. We have dedicated programs. Okay, please contact us on WhatsApp 7034561234. And please subscribe to our Telegram channel also. We have put the link on the description box. Okay, we are putting the all notification details, study materials, everything there. Okay, so please subscribe to our Telegram channel also. So see you soon. Jai Hind.